EverPath is a brand new toolpath technology in Mastercam, designed from the ground up to forever change how you create, refine, and understand your toolpath motion.
With Mastercam 2026 R2, we now have the ability to utilize our video card's graphic processing unit, or GPU, to manage the calculations. This means we can offload our graphics rendering from the main CPU to our video card's GPU. Let's take a look. AI is here, and Mastercam is at the forefront of this technology. Mastercam Copilot is an AI-powered digital assistant designed to streamline your Mastercam workflows, enhance usability, and simplify feature discovery within the Mastercam software. Integrated into the user interface, Mastercam Copilot is capable of everything, from finding help and documentation and answers to questions you have, to carrying out requested commands that can help simplify your design and toolpath programming.